I really hope this is something original. Oh, you got your keys rattling around. Anyway, according to records, we have a US elevator here. And let's see here. The question is it original? It is.
This guy was right this time. Yep, definitely a US. You can see the indicator.
Oh wow, look at that. G234P. Whoa. Yeah, let's get our cab view on the top. Ooh.
P.
High rise.
Oh, there's no close button. High rise.
High rise. Oh, look at that little pinhole or little tiny camera.
Jeez, the camera. That's funny. Very quiet.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not quiet. Yikes. This one isn't in bad condition, but that garage is still nicer. And the indicator works, all floors.
Oh, look at that pre-door.
Oh, nice.
Here, let me get a cab view quickly.
Yeah, you go hop off here first.
Button's a little burnt. Oh, look, here's a view of downtown Englewood. Nice. There's Wells Fargo and Chase. Anyway, let's get a cab view.
That's a common thing with US's buttons for some reason. They tend to do that. I'm not sure why.
Look at that ugly fan. It's literally just a fan.
It's a ceiling.
Like, they literally just stole like a fucking... Sorry, my bad for the language, Nathan.
Yes, you always
They literally stole a fan.
I don't even bother.
Like a normal, just tabletop fan. Oh, it's already going down.
They do that. They usually park mid-floor. If you don't press up, well, you already did. But that's where the, you know how ThyssenKrupps, like older ThyssenKrupps would do that, where they'd go to a certain floor automatically?
Yeah.
It came from US.
Oh, it did?
Yeah.
Oh, we're still going down. It almost felt like we stopped for a second. I want to take another ride.
Stop coughing. That's what you're doing.
Do you want to take one ride?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, let's do another ride up and then just one more.
Yes.
Darn. If anybody looks at that footage, they're gonna be like, "What the hell are these two fools doing?"
As usual.
Oh,
This one you can't press. This one. Oh, they're all just stuck.
It's kind of funny. Anyhow, let's watch that level.
Oh, I missed it.
You can watch the one on the way down.
Sure.
We should have seen where it went if you didn't press a button.
Oh, my bad.
Well, we can stay on it at G and see if it goes up. Probably
We
won't.
can.
I mean, I don't think we should stay on here too long because you never know when some random ass person's gonna like.
Oh, no, you swore, Nathan. Watch it.
Hey, that one's not counted actually.
Really?
Just an FYI, yeah, that one actually isn't. Apparently. If you can say it on private television, apparently you don't get to monetize.
Interesting. There's the hoistway.
I think it stays here at G.
That's it.